Alright, check, check. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Check, check, one. Alright. Good afternoon, everybody. Alright, I'm going to put some fillets here. Just using some Elmer's glue wall. Oh. Come on now. All right. There we go. A little bit. There we go. And the other one. Gotta clean this up a little bit. All right. Let's try that again. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm just putting some more glue on the fillet here. Just using the old simple Elmer's glue wall. Well, luckily I got a different glue bottle here. That one just being stubborn. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, there we go. That's a lot better. Alright. Finger. There we go. That looks good. That one looks good. And we'll go over that one a little bit. Oh. How's everybody doing today? Kind of a rainy day out there today, so I figured, well, I'll go live and and this one. Okay. So I'm going to set this off to the side. And here's what the other part of the rocket looks like. Get a better view of it. I always make sure I close the glue all, like that's what happened the other one. Okay, so let's try something different here. Okay, for some reason it is not doing what I want it to. Lovely. Gotta love technology. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. Well then. Okay, I'm going to try something here. Okay, so I'm trying to get the program to work. For some reason, it's not operating. Please stand by. Because the weird thing, while it was working this morning, oh, thank you for those comments. If the program would work. If not, you know what? Well, it is a program that allows you to design rockets, and you can put motors in it to see how high, stability, and all that today. My, oh my. So, well, make do. Let's see. Here's one of my first rockets that I bought. This is an Estes Mercury Redstone. I had this rocket probably, probably 20 or so years. So, it's a good rocket. And we got the Baby Bertha, we got the Big Bertha, and the Skyrider over there. And here's one that I'm working on. This is not quite finished with it yet. It's a 54 millimeter motor tube. And there's what the inside looks like. I used to have the pink crayon. And man, I love that thing. I've flown so many times, but the last flight has the parachute came out, just a big old zipper down the side, and pretty much destroyed the rocket. So, rebuilding that one. And I have another one here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it all on camera. Okay. So here's this one. Oh, come on, cobweb. It's been a while. So here's this one. This is also a 54 millimeter tube, and there's the fan can. Yeah, like it's a little big. I can't really get all of it on TV. On the camera. That one. I got. I literally have totes full. This is one I've been working on. I'm going to epoxy the fillets on this one. This is the booster section. This is the top end. So yeah, a mid-power rocket. All of those here are low. The rocket, per one reason, it just doesn't want to operates. Estes kit is a Stingray scale. Oh, is it going to work for us? Oh, come on. And thank you again for the comments here. And welcome in, everybody. Hope everybody had a good holiday. And a good New Year's so far. Okay, well, it's not going to work again. Here, so I'll show. Here's a logo motor. This is Estes motor. Just a little cardboard tube. And then you got the propellant and the ejection charge on top to pop out the parachute. This is a high-powered motor. This is aluminum. So this is usable here. And then when you buy the motor, you get the propellant, the delay, and all stuff, the nozzle. And so, like I said, aluminum. So this is a motor. You can get them as big as 4 inches diameter, millimeter. So, okay. Now. All loaded up here. Okay, it'd help if I turn the mic on. Okay, so this program is called Openrocket. Oh, and now it's giving me a bunch of other stuff here. Okay, so like I said, this is called Openrocket. You've got your, over here, you've got add new component, your stages. If you want, you could do boosters or extra pods. We've got nose cones, body tube, transitions. All right. So it pops this screen. Now this window here is already like manufactured nose cones. Like here's all your Estes stuff. There's balsa machining, lock precision, mad cow. So we're just going to do a simple Estes kit. Okay. We'll do a BK PNC 50K. So that's going to be right around 24 millimeters. So there's our nose cone. Now we'll go with the body tubes. Okay, so now we'll go back into the Estes. So since the nose cone was a B50, we'll keep that the same size. We'll do, here's a BT50, 10¼ inches long. We'll do that. There is that. Okay, so now we have our nose cone and our body tube. Just make sure, okay, just want to make sure I wasn't, excuse me, I wasn't on mute again. Okay, so now we'll do the fins. We'll do 3 fins. We'll just make a very simple rocket here, because I think we can actually see what they look like. Since it's we'll just keep it no fin tabs on this one. Okay, so there is that. So we have 3 fins, trapezoidal. All right. So now we will. So BT50 is going to be 24mm. So we'll just keep it. We'll just use the body tube as a motor tube. Okay, so now we'll click back up here to body tube. Let's add a little, let's see, it's been a while since I've used this program. Let's do, there we go, engine block. Estes, let's see. Okay. Let's see, do they have... No, of course they don't. There's a BT5. That's not what we want. BT30. Well then, well, what I could do is just use a BT30. We'll edit outside diameter. There we go. Oh, whoa, way too big. So let's see, so BT50 is, I'm gonna get the old inside diameter, just gonna figure that out real quick. BT50, bum, bum, bum. So we are gonna move, let's see, placement, there we go. Whoa, way too far forward. The mouse is touchy. My goodness. That should be enough. Okay, so fiber, bulk. All right, so 0.95, there we go, boom. Okay, so now we will need to add a parachute. Oh, and shot cord, of course, too. Okay, 15, let's see, so shot cord length, elastic cord, 16 inches, that sounds about right. So then we will move it, actually, we're going to move it down. Let's see, path length. Let's see, where, I think it goes here. There we go. We'll just kind of put it there. Click back up on the body tube. Parachute. Let's do a quick little Estes. Since it's a small rocket, we'll do a 18-inch parachute. Okay, so we'll just kind of move that. go. Okay, so now let's get body tube. Oops. Okay, gotta remember how to do this here. Because that is new configuration, I think. So we're going to run this on so it's 24 millimeter. We'll do an Estes D12. Okay, oh no, I can't even. Can't. The screen's too small. Here we go. We'll just do this. There we go. Okay, so now I'll go back. Engine block. Move that forward just a wee bit. Okay, edit. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want to get as close as I can. We'll do like negative. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, not 2.3. We'll do 2.9. That's going to be close enough because that just keeps the motor. Oh, I got to change that. D15. Estes D12. There it is. Okay, so that is good. Select ignition. Okay, so then the screen here tells you pretty much your flight data. So here is the motor, that is what we have here, your D12-7. The 7 is the delay in seconds. So we got 65.5 velocity, an apogee of just under 1400, 1369. So yeah, it looks good, and it came down. Time to apogee 6.9 seconds, and then the ground velocity was a nice subtle, but it is one thing we need to do. Looks a little. We'll go back up here in the nose cone. Can add a little mass because I just noticed the center of gravity is a little too close to the center pressure. You want to have that further forward. We'll do 2 ounces maybe. We'll see how that does. Oh wow, I can go a little less than that. We'll do 1.5. How about that? 1.5. So we got I'm going to do a little bit less. We'll do 0.75. There we go. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll rerun. Oops. Well, we'll just do this. Oh, let's see what happened here. Recovery device. Oh. So basically it said, yeah, it looks like it was going too fast. Yeah, because total weight of the rocket is, yeah, wow, 2.8 ounces total. That's crazy. Okay. I think I'm actually going to, actually I'll save this rocket. We'll just say Twitch 1. Oops. We can come back to this one. Look at that. Oh, there's another, Twitch 1. Let me see. There is a cool, where's it at here? This is what the rocket's going to look like here. So this is what our rocket looks like. Oh, maybe I think I better move the mass object. So let's move that mass object so it's not like, there we go. And that's, see, by moving the mass object, it does change the stability too. So now let's go back. Look at that. Sure is a pretty rocket. Look at that. Business end. Oh yeah. Okay, on that note, save it. Alright, so I think I'm going to end stream there. Thank you so much for, I will post this on YouTube. And thanks again so much.